So in this manner, you will feel confident, as well as it's make easy for you, and it will continue your practice. So you can achieve anything, whatever you want to achieve with this simple practice. You understand my point?
Yes.
So right now, as I told you, hey, you need to create the things by your own through this only. Makes sense? So let me do one thing. Let me, you can see, create one folder, assignment. Okay. So in our assignment, what we will do, we will copy these
Uh,
things here only.
are you sharing the screen?
I think so. No,
Okay.
I am. I assumed I shared with you.
Yep.
Now, when you are able to see my screen, please. So right now, you are able to see in a HTML, we have this empty body. Am I right? Nothing
I'm
is
not
there.
able to see anything. Have you shared it?
Now I shared.
Yep. Right now I
Maybe
can see.
now you are able to see it's
Yes,
empty,
yes.
right?
Mm.
And if we run this, now you are able to see whatever we are able to see is coming from your this code only. And I'm looking for same thing from your side. Even though it's a simple example, maybe I'm rendering only one button. But if you can render only one button, you can render anything, isn't it?
Hmm. Hmm.
So that's why I want to check your knowledge or give you a means a task so that how you will deal with that task. Because in your day-to-day life, every day is a new challenge. Am I right?
Yes.
And you will encounter a new question. And I want to train you how you can get an answer of any question.
Okay. So I have one question, like with the help of this DOM selector, okay, and everything. So so how are you going to like create the whole page using only code?
Why you cannot? Why?
Like isn't this gonna be difficult because using HTML, CSS and those stuffs I think gonna be more easy.
Yes, I am not saying in a real life I will suggest that to you. No,
Okay.
just for practice only.
Okay.
So that you can means your mind will struggle there. Okay, and
Hmm.
whatever concept we learn, you have a better clarity. When you go to
Yeah.
a better clarity, when your mind will struggle to find a solution of that, and that's
Hmm.
actual learning. Make sense?
Hmm.
So right now, let's say whatever you want to do here in that page. So you have access of your this. You can see you have access of your this body. Am I right? And this is a
Hmm.
method of body. Whatever you want to add, you can add there.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Hmm.
So it's loading class, taking time. So I want to just this is challenge for you how you will accept that and how you will complete that.
So can you just go to the code?
Yes, why not?
So
Let me
see in the, yeah.
hold on. Let me do this neat and clean things for you so that you can refer that. So right now, let me do this cleanup activity for your stuff. don't require we don't require this. Okay,
Yes.
and we don't require this also. This is a code to create a button, and this is the same code
Mm.
which we are earlier using to apply a
Yeah.
click and performing a click operation. And this is
Yes.
the
Mm.
to adding that button to your body, page body.
Mm.
Make sense?
I was using this button thing in the HTML as I've showed you in the assignment, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So here you are able to see where button is working and it's coming from code. I created from code only. And the code, whatever you learn uh, in that lesson, I teach you. Makes sense?
Yes.
I teach
Yeah,
you.
I wanted to also see what I learned like using the last lecture, but it wasn't like uploaded or given to me. That's why I was kind of a little bit confused.
No worries, no worries, no worries. If that's the case, you can just ping me. Makes sense. So that I can
Mm.
share that video with you. Let
Mm-hmm.
me share
Okay.
that with you. Let me share that with you now. It will take some time, but it's available after 2 3 hours.
Mm.
So just ping me. Hey Deepak, just share that video with me. I will do that.
Okay.
Okay. So now you understand the means understand things which you need to do, or still you are confused
No,
and you
no.
want I
So,
will do.
uh, yeah, just one small
Hello.
example,
Yes, yes. Go ahead, please.
like how you were rendering. Like, I'm just wondering, like,
Okay, I will do that.
yeah, like how you're writing the rendering code and how you're calling everything from the HTML to the JS file. Like, I just want to see how you're connecting, and if possible,
Okay, okay. What example you want there? So apart from
whatever
button,
you.
you what you want? Let's say
Let's say,
based on your
mhm.
yes. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, let's say there will be a box where we will click, and then inside the box, we will able to see the box will change and say these are the informations. There will be a button to remove and button to like go to the next page, something like that.
Okay, okay, okay. So for that, let's create that box. Okay. So this here div. Okay, and it's the box. And box. Wait, and box. Okay, and this is a box. Now let me run this. Now when I click on a this box, new item is added there. Am I right?
Hmm.
Or whatever you want to do, you can do that. Okay. So
Hmm.
let me apply a you can say styling there. So you can check that here. So the place of this. So we can say if okay
Hmm.
color is color red background background color background background. Pixel. CSS. Okay, we pause. We have line this style. Style.css to the enterprise of this only. Right. So what we have to do here. So for add for this is applied,
Hmm.
but I think for the issue with styling. So what it will do, let me do this. Background color is background. Okay, sorry, that over is equal to 1 pixel solid and black. Yes, what about height and width? Height and width. It's the black. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, now I think rather than doing this, let me apply this from here only. I will take the Constructor is not changing the things. Sorry, and then this or this. Right. Toy. So, create element. Done. Append child. Done. Let's check this step by step. Yes, it's working.
It's working, right?
Yes, it's working, but height and width is not working as expected nowadays. So what we will do, let's say you need to show a title there. Okay. For that, let me do one thing. Let create, create an element, element name and content. Okay. And what we are giving here means, hey, you need to create an element. What you need to do, you need to tell me the label and element name. So here I am saying element name, and here I'm using this content. So content. Yes. So now it will return this box for LE, whatever name you want to give. LE. New element. Let's say let new element. First new element. Okay. And here we can first new element. And here as well new element. Okay. So now we have this. Now we can replace this with two lines. So here we will say create element and the element name is div. Okay. and here content type is I main main boards. I am in- Okay. If you are able to see, it's working with a border. And now, if you want to create another child, makes sense. Let's say paragraph T. Okay. So what you need to do means paragraph. What you will do, you will do that like this. At the place of it, you will use this. And here you will write whatever you want to write. This is something makes sense. Now means if until unless you will not add this on your page, how it will display. Right now, this is displayed there, am I right? So what you can do, you can add this paragraph there. Okay. So like body have this pen child, same thing. Every you can say element have these methods. Okay. Now I am adding this paragraph. Now if you check that, you are able to see this paragraph. Okay. And let's say you want to render a card or list, whatever you want to do. Okay. What you need to do, you need to let's say create an element, create a list. Create a list. Am I right? How you will create a list? You can say you need to pass a type of list. Okay. List type. Makes sense. And item. How many items are there? Makes sense.
Yes.
So based on a item, it will render your list. So list type you will pass here. List type. Okay, there is no change in this. And for that, so you will say means items dot, you can say this storage element. Okay. And what you will do, you will create a, so you can say you will create one array. Const list items. Okay, it's empty array. What you will do, so based on this, you will const L1 Li. Okay. Create. So you will use this create element, and you can say you can call this method. Makes sense. So you can call this method like const li is equal to create an element li Makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Li, and here you will say element, because element we are passing a string array here. Okay. So now what you will do, you will
So,
list item,
mhm.
push li. Okay.
So what this li is gonna represent?
Wait, wait for some time. I will show you what it's doing and what is the purpose of this. Okay.
Hmm.
So we can say new element here, new element dot append child. So here we will add this list items. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
And after that, we will return that and add into our container wherever you want to add. Okay.
Hmm.
Let's create a, you can say list. Let's create this const, 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 const order list. Okay. Order
Hmm.
list. And for order list, you will say user create a list, and here we will say OL for this order list. Okay.
Hmm.
And here you will say debug start uh, Canada, Bangladesh. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. So, and now if you want to create an order list, const unorder list, unorder list, then you use UL. Okay.
Hmm.
And now we need to, either we can append in this box, or we can append in a body. It's totally up to you. Box dot add child, append child, order list, and box dot
List.
append child, unorder list. Let's check the output. If everything goes fine, that's fine. Otherwise, we will need to fix. So something is not there.
Create.
Sorry, object undefined.
Hmm.
Undefined. Okay, sorry. I cast everything. It is saying this. Just a minute. Let me check that. What is
Hmm.
complaining for each? Properties of undefined. Rating for each.
Hmm.
Okay, makes sense. So basically, at the place of this, we need to use this one. Hope it will work now.
Oh, you can also see these things over here.
And hold on. It's saying this.
Hmm.
It is complaining. Okay, to the center of the parameter. Make a type of okay. So we can do. Yes, but it's giving us a this list element. It's rendering but it's not rendering that way. But we need to do this. Create element, li element, li this. So element dot append child. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So what is this? So this is the element. Let me check this. What is the value of this element? Value volume. Okay.
Hmm.
Now create element. If you create a list item, that's fine. And new element list type. Append child is not working. Okay. Let me do this here. New element. So sorry, failed alert. Okay, and this is now prepared. Let's get that. Console.to element is required. Element. Now it's working. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So do I need to give more example to you? So you are good there.
No, I'm good with it.
Now you understand why I gave this assignment to you,
Mm-hmm.
so that you are comfortable with the programming, because whatever you are learning, this when you learn React, this means these things repeated there in a
Mm-hmm.
React manner only,
Mm-hmm.
but things are same.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yes.
So right now, if you want to do this thing on a button click, you can do that as well. You can think of, if you want to add this on a button click, you can add here, and when you click on that part, then you will be able to see it's added there.
Mm.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So anything else you need clarification or a practical thing?
No, I'm good with this one.
Let me push this.
Yes.
Push. Dynamic rendering. So what is next?
Dome is done, right?
DOM is done. Next is your this events. Events is there. Let's quickly go into this event, because you already done some of the event. Okay.
Mm.
Here you can say mouse over, key press. So these are the events. Do I need to go through theory? Are you?
Uh, I think we like almost did these things, right?
Yes,
Except the hover thing.
yes. We can try just going through this theory, and if you are not able to understand, let me know. Okay.
Okay.
So food app, click order, event, yes, process handler, and UI updated DOM, which you already know about that. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is a way to attach a event there, and this is a way you can say you can do whatever you want. Common events are click, double click, mouse over, and mouse out. We will check this. Okay, you
Okay.
already know this. Now we will check this. Double click and mouse over, mouse out. Okay,
Yeah.
keyboards events, key down, key up. We will check these as well. Double click, mouse over, mouse out. Okay. For keyboard down, keyboard keyword up, key down, key up.
Hmm.
Okay. And submit input and change. Submit input and change.
Form events, right? Using
Yes.
form.
Yes.
Yeah.
So useful property target type and prevent default. When you will use this, you need to know that. And you can attach this way as well, but it's a inline. It's not recommended. Okay.
Hmm.
And on click, it's you can say property, so you can attach this, but you can do this way as well, this way and this way as well, but this is recommended.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Yes.
So event propagation critical, like child parent document, bubbling default, capturing document parent child. So you are what are you doing? Parent. This is a bubbling means this is not a good approach. Am I right? This is a good approach.
Child. Okay.
Means you always go from top to bottom, not bottom to top.
Hmm.
So stop propagation event of stop propagation prevent default. So yes, prevent default. I will show you these examples. Delegation. So this is a list, and you want to apply on each and every, you can say this item on a list you want to apply and work differently.
Hmm.
Then let's say because each and every item maybe have a different ID and you want to get that ID when this particular item is clicked. Makes
Yeah.
sense?
Hmm.
Rather than you will apply the this on your list, whole list, you can apply a click on your item as well. So you can identify. So here you are able to see it's delegating from parent to child, not child to parent. Okay.
Yes.
So as I told you, we will do this practical. So let's do this practical. So here you can say let's see. Okay. Sorry. Let me do this practical HTML and HTML we can say file. For simplicity, I'm not creating a different file because it's required scripts. Script. Okay. Script, and here we will say then Right now we are doing this. Let's take our input ID is equal to username placeholder and per user. Okay,
ठीक.
so what we will do, first user name, user. So here, as you know, document get element by ID, and the ID is username. Okay, and here what we will do, user name dot add event listener. So here we need to mention the name. What are the key events out there? Key up, key down. Key up, key down. Key up, key down. Key down, key up. Key, key down. Key down, key up. You can apply multiple events. Okay, it's not a mandatory. You can only key up, key up, key up, key down. Now let's check the output. Let's do one thing. Let's apply that thing like what do. If Now, uh, close over. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, let me do the background color. Background color red, so that you can differentiate this in my UI. And, let me run this. Now you are able to see it. Okay.
Yeah. The click me button is really big.
Hmm. But I'm not able to see anything here. Right. Key down, key up. Makes sense. When I'm
Hmm.
pressing, it's a down. This down, up, down, up, down, up. Makes sense.
You're pressing A, S, and D.
Yes,
Then why it's saying key up, down?
because we mentioned key up down there.
Hmm. Okay.
At the place of this, we need to use this date. How you are able to see the impact there. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So now if you check that, and this now it's over. Right, mouse over is not working. Yes, mouse out. Mouse over is not working. But
Yeah.
is yes, out is working. Over is not working. Why? Okay, move. It's a spelling mistake. Okay,
Hmm.
typo is there. That's why it's not working. Now, if you check this, mouse over, mouse out, mouse over, mouse out.
Yeah.
Okay, so other event you can also check. So, any question or concern regarding these events?
So I get it that we are using this event, and in the console we can see these things are printing, but in real world, how these
Yes,
things are helping us?
like means on a disk, you want to perform some action. Makes sense. Right
Yeah.
now, we are simplicity. We are doing this, but in a
Hmm.
real life, let's say you are making a game. Okay,
Okay.
in
Hmm.
that game, on a one button click, you can say move ahead in a
Hmm.
slideshow,
Yeah.
or previous you want to change to go to a previous slide, then you will use this button. Am I right? And
Hmm.
when we are playing a game of that, mm, what is called Mario thing, then you will use a mouse to jump to
Yeah.
so that your that particular uh, actor is jump,
Hmm.
or you can say, or you are there is a game, I don't know the name of that game, but in that game we need to avoid the wall not need to be touch your surface. we need
Hmm.
to save our goal. Am I
Oh,
right?
DX.
Yeah, there that means with sometime you need to this what is the game name is there? Like chopping the fruits. I think so.
Hmm.
There is a game
Yeah.
with the help of finger, this mouse movement. You chop the you can say fruits there.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So how if these events are not there, how you will able to do that?
Makes sense. So with the help of event selector, we can like it calculates the hovering where we are hovering, and that does it works, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Even you can move your you can say object with the help of these.
Okay. Okay. No, makes sense now. Very important.
Okay, let me stop the recording.